Okay, first locate which number box each one is. You'll have 1, 2, and 3. Open it up. Inside the first box, you have the left chase, a couple pillows, and the pillow that will go over the chase and the legs. See, back of the chase, it's pillow. Second box, you'll have 2 back pillows, 2 bottom pillows. The bottom of the middle of the couch is this big rectangular part, and the, come on, enough pillows. And the back of that middle piece, that's the back piece. And of course some more legs. The third box will have your right chase, the back of that chase, which is this thing right here, that's the back. More legs. The pillow for the chase. I hope I'm saying chase right. And the bottom of that chase. Then one of these boxes have the instructions. I'd go ahead and make sure you have every piece that there is on this instruction sheet. No point in starting if you don't even have all the stuff. It'll be more of a pain in the butt. So that first set of legs has not only the legs, but it has the short screws. Should be 24, 25 short screws with their washers. Second little baggie will have 4 more legs and a middle leg. Yeah, it's a little damaged, but it's not going to be seen. And some long screws in that third bag of 4 legs. Take note, there's 12 long screws. These will be connecting the couch pieces to the other couch pieces. See here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then the 24 smaller screws with their 24 other washers, 24, 25. I don't know why there's 25 washers. There's 24 because these will be connecting the legs to the couches. And we're going to carefully count that right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Perfect. So let's get right into it. Take 4 long screws and 4 of the washers and your Allen wrench, and take the long middle piece of the back, long rectangular piece, and connect to that long back piece. You'll see the holes. It'll hook up to each other. I brightened this video a bit too so you can see where they connect underneath. And then next you'll take that black leg and some of the short screws and legs, and you hook up this leg on the bottom middle rectangular piece after taking off that plastic cover on that leg. Screw that on. Screw on some legs. 4 more long ones, and this will connect the back of the chase. I still hope this is called a chase. And chasse. And screw them onto there. See these holes at the bottom? It is going to be a pain in the butt because the upper 2 holes are under a lip of this piece of wood. I found it easier to put the bottom of the chase like flipped over. That way the weight of the big part will help out. And then you actually can finger screw them on. It should fit in fairly easily. And there you go. You put in the pillows. After flipping it all over, you will pick up this left side of the chase. Will actually have like 2 metal lips on the inside that go on top of that middle part. But this right chase, you'll have to pick up the middle big piece and hook it on to the right side of the chase. It's not that they put it wrong, it's just how they made it. Voila! Not bad for $740, but it's not the color I thought it'd be. This is supposed to be ash, but it came out more like a blue, green, I don't know. But people have been falling asleep on it. I hope this helps.